As we move into the future, it's crucial to equip ourselves with the right education and skills to stay ahead in the ever-changing job market. Today, we're going to explore the top degrees, high-paying careers, and must-have skills that will future-proof your education and put you on the path to success. So, let's dive right in. First on our list of top degrees for the future is computer science. With the rapid advancements in technology, the demand for computer scientists is skyrocketing. From artificial intelligence to cybersecurity, a degree in computer science opens doors to exciting and high-paying career opportunities. Next up, we have engineering. As infrastructure and technology continue to evolve, engineers will play a crucial role in designing and developing the innovative solutions of tomorrow. Whether it's civil, mechanical, or electrical engineering, these degrees offer excellent earning potential and job security. Another degree that holds great promise for the future is healthcare. With an aging population and advancements in medical research, the demand for healthcare professionals is only expected to grow. Pursuing a degree in medicine, nursing, or pharmacy ensures a well-paying career dedicated to helping others. Now, let's turn our attention to the must-have skills for the future. First, we have critical thinking. In a world inundated with information, the ability to analyze, evaluate, and make decisions is invaluable. Critical thinking skills allow you to navigate complex problems and adapt to changing circumstances. Next, communication skills. As technology connects us on a global scale, effective communication becomes vital. Being able to convey your ideas clearly and collaborate with others is key to success in any field. And finally, adaptability. With the pace of change accelerating, the ability to adapt and learn new skills quickly is crucial. Embracing change and being flexible in your approach will help you stay ahead no matter how the future evolves. In conclusion, by pursuing future-proof degrees such as computer science, engineering, and healthcare, and developing essential skills like critical thinking, communication, and adaptability, you'll be well prepared for the dynamic job market of the future. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights into building a successful career in the ever-changing world.